There are two types of people in the cryptocurrency market: those who are veteran investors and have been through bull and bear markets and know how to make the most amount of money in the space. And then there are those who are relatively new to this market and either end up making a little bit of money or losing a lot of money. In this video, I'm going to show you why trading crypto may not be your best bet if you're a bit newer to the space, and what you should do instead to ensure you make the most gains possible this bull run season. On this channel, I show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. So if that sounds good to you, definitely subscribe to the channel with post notifications turned on so you don't miss any future videos. And make sure to drop a like and comment down below any questions you may have about anything crypto related. So with that out of the way, let's hop right into the video. Alright, yes, those who have been in the market for some time now and have gone through the ups and downs definitely know how to make the most amount of money when it comes to cryptocurrency. So coming from someone yours truly who has been investing in cryptocurrencies for over 5 years now, I know what I'm saying when I tell you that trading isn't as pretty as it seems. And there are many reasons as to why trading isn't your best bet when it comes to investing in this market. Starting with reason number one, there is a huge learning curve you need to go through before you ever actually start making some profits. Like any business, and keep in mind you do need to treat this like a business, there is a huge learning phase to go through, right? Where all you're focused on is acquiring information and learning all the ins and outs of whatever business it is that you're getting into. In this case, trading cryptocurrencies. You need to learn how to read and understand charts, trading patterns, indicators, stop losses, Fibonacci levels, and so on and so forth. It's a lot to learn. And trust me when I say this, even after you've learned everything you need to know about, chart analysis and technical analysis, you still won't end up being profitable the first year or two of trading. Now, I will say that trading in a bull market is much easier than trading in a bear market. But the problems come when the table flips and we're in a bear market, and now your trading strategies are no longer profitable. You got to take a new approach, you got to change things up a bit and almost go through another learning curve all over again, bringing your income to a halt, or worse, maybe even a steady loss in capital as you're trying out new trading strategies. During certain parts of the bull market, you'll be able to blindly throw money at different cryptocurrencies and make 20 to 30% gains in the matter of a week or two. But that is in no way sustainable long term. You simply take advantage of those opportunities when they arise, you take some profits, and you call it a day. Getting into trading requires an enormous amount of time dedication, or you will certainly lose money. So can you imagine investing so much time into developing your trading strategy, and then all of a sudden one day Bitcoin drops 12%, and now for the next couple days coins are dropping, the whole market, the whole market flips, the whole market dynamic changes, and now your trading, strategies are no longer profitable. That is the nature of the cryptocurrency market, right? When Bitcoin's, treading up, down, it's pretty flatline. Some altcoins are taking off. There are great trades to be made. When Bitcoin makes a big move up, all the coins get hit, and when Bitcoin makes a big move down, all the coins get hit as well. So in those cases, you could potentially end up a week or two, right, where you're just in constant losses and losses. All of your stop losses are getting triggered and you're just taking losses on all of your trades. It is not the best setup when you're trying to make money in a bull market. Now, swing trades, they are acceptable if you know what you're doing, and key phrase, I'll repeat it, if you know what you're doing. Cryptocurrencies will have news come out. They'll have test nets, mainnets. They'll have partnerships. They'll be listed on major exchanges. They'll have, new events come out. All these different things that happen in the cryptocurrency space for these different cryptocurrencies make those prices sometimes, swing up 5, 10, 15, 20, 30% in a matter of a week or two. Or sometimes more like midterm holds, where it's 4 to 16 weeks of you buying into a crypto leading up to a certain event. You take profits when the price goes up and call it a day. And again, you need to know what you're doing in this market, especially if you're trying out, swing trades based off of news or events, and you need to take profits off the table because this market is vicious. And if you're doing trades right off of different events, off of different news, newsflash, Johnny, everyone else heard the news. They're doing the same thing you're doing, and they'll take profits from you before you ever saw the light of day. So what should you do instead of trading crypto? Well, it's a lot easier than many people think. You simply do your research, right? You decide which cryptocurrencies you believe will make the biggest impact in society, thus giving it value. You invest early, dollar cost average in throughout the bull run, and you sell at the top. This strategy is definitely best for beginners, for those who are completely new to the market, and not only that, even seasoned investors as well, like myself. I practice what I preach. I actually apply this investment strategy myself, and it's the strategy that I use to turn $900 into over $10,000 in under a year at the age of 16. Now, if you're interested in hearing the details on that story, I'll be posting a video all about it soon here on my channel, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. You also need to make sure that you're keeping your crypto in a highly secure wallet. I recommend the Ledger Nano X. I'll have a link to their website in the description below. Now, it's important that you get your feet wet and really get a feel for this market. If you're new, this is definitely something where you want to consume a lot of content on in order to maximize your financial gains. If you want to learn more about crypto, the best investment options and strategies, and my top altcoin picks for this coming bull market, check out my Patreon channel. The link will be in the description below. So after all of that, if you're still interested in trading crypto, this is what I recommend. First off, you need to make sure that you absolutely love looking at charts, drawing patterns, checking indicators and all that, because you'll be doing plenty of it. And trust me when I say this, it can get real old real quick. Make sure to completely eliminate emotions when trading. Stick to the mathematical algorithms and technical analysis, because your emotions will be the death of you in this market. Also, a great website you can use is 3 Commas. They have a very extensive list of tools that you can use to maximize your profits when trading. I'll have a link to their website in the description below. Make sure to watch my latest video if you haven't already. Subscribe if you want to see future content like this, and click the bell so you're notified when I post a new video. Drop a like and comment down below if you found the content informative. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. I'll have a link to it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.